Okay, so here we have a problem now where we have two different reactants with different masses given, and we're trying to figure out how much water is going to be produced. Well, we have to first of all figure out which one of our reactants is going to run out first. What is the limiting reactant? The steps for this are the same as they are for the car problem. In other words, we don't care about the masses. What we care about is how many moles we have. And then even then, we're going to divide those by the coefficients to figure out which one is going to run out first, which the smallest amount is. So we're going to take both of these, convert these to moles by dividing by their molar masses. So 4.0 divided by 2.02 and 35 grams divided by 32 grams per mole. Okay, we do that and you get, for the hydrogen, you get 1.98. And for the oxygen, you get 1.09. Okay, so now I'm not finished yet though, because I want to divide by these coefficients here. Just like last time I divided by the coefficients, the number of parts per car, I want to divide by the number of molecules per 2 molecules of water. So divide this by 2, divide this by 1, which doesn't change it at all, and I get 0.99. There we are. 0.99 there, and this just stays 1.09. Okay, so this is a lower number. This is my limiting reactant. Remember, we don't care about the masses. Okay, the masses don't really matter. What matters is which of these runs out first, and it's the hydrogen. So it's the hydrogen that's going to be determined that's going to determine how much water I make. So let's start then with my 4 grams here. 4.0 grams of H2. I'm going to divide by its molar mass again. Divide by 2.02 grams per mole. Multiply by the mole ratio. Well, it's a 1-to-1 mole ratio. I'm going to just write it out here anyways. 2 waters to 2 H2s times the molecular mass of water, 18.02 grams per mole. Okay, and then you do all those funky calculations, and you get, let's see, 4 divided by 2.02 times 2 divided by 2 times 18.02, and you get 35.6. Let's call it 36 grams of water, 2 sig phase. Okay, that means that we have some oxygen left over. We didn't need all 35 grams of our oxygen, and so we have 36 grams of water produced, as well as some excess oxygen remaining. Okay, like notice, for example, I have a total of 39 grams of reactants, but I only have 36 grams of product. That's because I have 3 grams too much oxygen. Anyways, I'll do another example for you and do another, I'll do one that has some excess reactant calculations as well. That should hopefully help you with your homework.